Hi everyone, this is Alison from Crumbz Craft. I'm here today going to be showing you how to start off my first sweater. Now this yarn that I'm using today is plissade and it's called Cascade Tweed. I just want to say that I've done a couple of jumpers now in this yarn and it is just beautiful to knit with. And there's some gorgeous colours, so just go online and have a look, see what we've got. So we're going to start with our slip knot. We're going to hold with our left hand the crossbar. We're then going to put our fingers through the top of the E, and that is our slip knot. Okay, so I'm now going to just pull it just to show that it is a slip knot. So we'll do that again. The letter E, holding the crossbar with our left hand, putting our right hand through the top of the letter E and gently pull. So that is now our first stitch. So I'm going to put our needle through and gently pull. So if you want to go on our website and the tutorials, we've got casting on and how to do your first stitch. All right, so just to show you quickly again, we're going to hold our hand like the letter L. We're going to grab the wool, we're going to roll our hand around, and then we're going to take our needle and we're going to go tip to tip and then under, back through and gently pull. All right, do it again. Lay our hand, grab, roll our hand over, go tip of the needle to the tip of our fingers, under, back through and gently hold. And we're going to do 31 stitches. Now what I suggest is that when you're first starting a garment of any sort, this one I'm going to start with the sleeve because it's a little bit smaller until you get the feel. I'll just move that off my wool, and then I will carry on doing these 31 stitches. Now also, if you feel comfortable, you can go over just 3 of your fingers, as you can see me doing that now. Sometimes it's a little bit easier than using your whole hand. There we go. Now, I'm just going to start with that just now. What I really want to show you is that this flat side here is your right side. So when we turn to start, the bobbles on our needle are the wrong side, which is the purl side if you're doing garter stitch. So now we're going to start with a knit, and then we're going to put our finger under the needle and purl. Back under and knit, back under the needle and purl. Sorry, I'm a bit clumsy with my fingers this morning. If you're hearing a beeping noise, somebody's doing some work outside, so I apologize for that. It makes it a little bit hard. So just get these few more stitches done, and that is how we're going to start off our sleeve. Now we're going to work, this is called rib, and we're going to do rib for 5.5 centimeters. Now we must make sure that we finish on our right side when we've got to that 5.5 centimeters. Now with this jumper we do stay on with our 8mm needles all the way through. So that's it. So if you have a look, that is our right side, the nice flat side, and the bobbles on this side is our wrong side. So carry on with that ribbing, and I will come back to you and we'll get started for the rest of the jumper. Okay, bye.